Hello guys, today we are going to unbox and install the shark fin antenna in Nissan Magnite. Not only for Magnite, for every car the process will be same. First we need a M5 screwdriver and a 9mm spawner and a microfiber cloth to clean the car surface before sticking the antenna. Let's do unboxing now. This I got it from Nissan, which costed me around 600 rupees. Here we have a manual how to install. They have mentioned how to install the instructions. That's it. Here comes the product. This is front and back, just a paper. You place it on the car and just draw an outline of it, and then we can remove, and we have to remove the sticker and stick it like this. Before sticking it, we need to unscrew it, and we have to remove the antenna which we got it from the car and place it in that hole. We have to remove this screw and we have to place that in that hole, and we have to screw it tightly and show it in the installation. Let's go guys, do it installation. First we have to remove the old antenna. Like, we can just unscrew it like this. That's it, and we have to clean this area. First we have to remove the dust with dry cloth, and after that we have to dab the cloth into water and clean it clear. Most of the antennas which we buy from the online, they'll just have a rod here, but they are not good in grabbing the frequency. Where we'll get from the genuine parts, we get like this motherboard. Like, this is a chip which grabs more frequency than the rods. So try to buy this type of antennas itself, which should have this chip. Just unscrew it like this. Oh, actually we don't need this, so we don't need this, and this M5 like this spawner also, we don't need this. Okay, just put it like this. And screw it tightly. Just remove the tape on the antenna. Actually they have given the front and back paper, but I don't need this, so I am sticking it directly. Just check it it was in a right position or not before sticking it. That's it guys. Okay guys, now let's check how the FM is working. Let's switch on the engine. Let's turn on the radio. Very fine. Like, I'm not getting any sort of disturbance like frequency lag, something like that. It's working very good guys. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.